Good morning, everyone. Well, yesterday I did not post a video. Well, actually this morning, but you won't see this till tomorrow. So confusing. That's why it's like I never know what day I'm talking about. Okay, well, anyhow, I've been working at, emptying this island, and actually, half the stuff on this island actually was in the island. I did, take some stuff out of my closet that is right behind me, but I don't want to keep moving around too much, so I'm not going to walk over there. But I've been working at emptying this, and you can see I've got some stuff out of here. I know it's hard to see in here, not much light. So I'm going to continue working on this. I've got some little mini scrapbooks there that I did with the grandgirls. And then I have some other stuff in here, and I'm going to continue working on this. I'll try to show you stuff as I get through it, and because, I want this out of my room so I can put a desk in here. This actually has feathers in it, and you've seen some of the arrows I made. If not, I do have a video showing the arrows I made. This is my flare stuff. And so that's all in there, but I'm not doing that right now. So I'm trying to decide what to do with the stuff, until I get the desk in here. Because I will have some drawers in the desk, hopefully some smaller drawers. And because I'd rather have like a smaller stuff. This here, and I keep considering doing this next. Just like picking up this stuff and putting it where I plan on having it until I get the next desk in here. I'm thinking about just taking these, putting them into their categories, and because that would just move my big chunk of paper. Now the thing is, I will have to maybe condense, go through. I mean, I've kind of been going through them, taking out stuff that I don't like as much. I need to be faster at it, and because it's like I haven't been able to get that in there, and it seems like it actually got worse. And I still have down here, I still have, oh, my battery's gonna die, and I just put it in here. I still have my Disney collection. And I just kind of got Disneyed out and couldn't do any more of it. But anyhow, I'm going to work on that, and then I'll kind of show you more stuff as I get to it. Okay, I did get some of this stuff put away where I think I'll be able to keep it until I get my desk cleaned off. Or this island cleaned off and get a desk in here. Also, I was looking actually for some kind of album that I could do a like junk journaling. Oops, here's my notes that I can still write notes on. Anyhow, I have two of these graphic 45. Are they the same? Yeah, I guess just because one's been open. So I have these two graphic 45 albums, and they have like some vellum sheets in here. I was actually just looking for one the other day, some kind of album that I could do a junk journal in, and it's like, oh yeah, I know I have a graphic 45 one, and I didn't actually realize I had two. I think I did when I went to look for them. I think I have two of these. So anyhow, I'm going to be using one of these because I'm going to do a Minte challenge where you do a journaling page a week. So and they're going to have a word prompt for the week. So I'm going to be doing that, and I thought that would be fun because I've kind of wanted to do junk journaling before, so art journaling will be a good start. And so anyhow, I keep going back to this. It's like, this is an issue. It seems like the paper is always an issue. I don't know why. And so I'll probably do this, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or the next day. And so anyhow, I've got a tray of stuff from underneath my bed. And I'm going to go through that. So that's where I'm going to go right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back at the table. I'm thinking that I just kind of need to get sorted through stuff. This I had actually stuck underneath the bed. I don't know if the day that I stuck it underneath there, if we had company, and I just like threw it in there. But I'm gonna kind of sort where this stuff will be going, and then I'm really gonna try to get through those papers again, which it's like I don't know how come I just keep sending up back at the papers. I think because my daughter gave me a whole bunch, and then I got some from Maureen, and I just need to condense more to get them to fit because I only have the cubes and I can't go out of the cubes, you know, because I am out of the cubes, like a whole nother cube worth. So, okay, so these are actually from Baby Collection. So if I was looking for those, I didn't even know that they were there. Okay, and this is actually the container, but they won't be going back in there anyway. Okay, and I do have some pictures. And this is back. This was, oh, I think it was at my daughter's baby shower. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's my daughter's baby shower. So, actually, I got Danny and Chris on it, but I'm going to put baby shower. Because I could actually do that. Okay, and, oh, this is what I will be putting those into, but I'm not going to do it now. Here's envelopes. I just keep using them. And till I can't fit any more writing on it. So I'll put those aside. Here's something that I might need later. Oh, white paper. Oh, this is cardstock. Okay. For the printer. Okay, this is more pictures. And who knows, I might have reprinted these because I didn't know where they were at. Okay, so we actually have photos, so I'm going to put that there. Oh, and look at, I have a base page. Oh, I think I have a base page and the pictures I thought of putting on them. Okay, okay, that that gives me hope that there is a plan here. So I wonder if this actually was going to go on these, I'm thinking. Okay, and that might have been why they were there. So I'm going to do that because I have actually the base pages someplace else. So, okay, so there's 3 base pages. And here's from 30 Days of Sketches. I don't even know which year. Okay, so I usually save these, so I will put them someplace. I dropped one set of them actually right between my 2 bookcases. Okay, and then I have a white square that I think was probably from nothing. It's probably just scrap. Okay, I'm just gonna stick them there. And here's just a white piece of paper. Usually I use for dividers. Okay. And here's some letters, and I wonder if I had a plan to use those in any of that. I don't know. This is what happens when you put something underneath the bed and find it a year later or 2 or whatever. Okay, these are just so cute. I think Maureen sent me these. Okay, they're gonna go in with the letters. Here's some. Does this go with any of that? No. I think I had this for a base page, but I already did the base page. But you can see I still have a lot of scraps. and some stickers, so I'll have to see if I can make base pages with that. Because I do have a stack of stuff I want to make base pages with. Okay, and some more of these little faux Avery pockets. These 12 by 12 things. And I was just looking for some of these. Yay! You know what? I thought I found a whole folder full one day, and do you think I know where those are at? Nope. Okay, and these here, this is what I put. If I have a collection, I like to put them in here. So I'm gonna stick these right here for now, because that's just stuff I put stuff in. Okay, these here I'm gonna stick there, because I'm gonna put these things where they go. I mean, this is what I'm doing today, is organizing. Sometimes I save stuff like this, actually, for the husband, because for his retirement, he is selling off stuff that we have that we don't want anymore. Yay! We inherited a lot of stuff when our parents passed, and it's like, just we've sent so much stuff to Goodwill, and then you just decide to, you know, somebody you just end up keeping. But okay, I'm just gonna put those over there. Here's another plain envelope, I think. Yep. So those again are just something to put stuff in. More letters I need to put away, or these, in this case, words. Oh, this is for my daughter's wedding. Oh, actually, this is from the dinner afterwards. I know I did the wedding, but did I do the dinner afterwards? Oh, no, I didn't even do the wedding. Okay. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Trash. I have trash. Can you give me a trash can, husband?
Yes, mistress.
Everybody should have it, Igor. Or is that an Igor? And, oh, here's pictures. Pictures of hubby and the first grand. He's got to come over and look at his handsome self now.
What a handsome guy.
Postcards, more pictures. I got pictures of jewelry that I made. Oh, and actually pictures of a layout I made. His uncle had, he was working on doing a, actually he was doing like a little newspaper, and he was gonna do it all on me. But he got sick and didn't finish it. Sad day. Okay, this must be Brenna before she was born, and then after. So there's more. So I need to put that. I need to have a bigger thing. Oh, here's when I used to work in the bakery. See, I've been on a magazine cover. There I am, right there. You didn't know I was a fashion model for a yeast company for bread. That's back when I used to make some good dough. Really made some good dough there. Okay. You know, I got all the baker's jokes. You know, we make it fresh daily. Oh my gosh. Here's a whole bunch of pictures. Here's the twins. Here's me and my sisters. I'm the oldest one, and then my two sisters. Oh, me and the hubby and my two bonus children. So I got all these pictures. Okay. And let's see, is there anything in here? I hope nothing is embarrassing. Oh, speaking of embarrassing, here's me and hubby in the bathtub. I've already scrapbooked this. These were taken at an old-time photo booth, and we're not really naked. I have on shorts and a tube top. He has probably shorts. Except for you can't tell because his legs aren't up there. Okay. Yep. So there's, oh, here's hubby and the 2 bonus children. And see right here, this was his ex-wife. Okay.
Don't hit me, mistress.
If I hit you, you'd have just kept your ex-wife, right? Okay. And then, oh, I found this at our, let's see, the thing south of it or west of us. I'm not sure. It's another direction than what you'd think. I bought this quote book, and I just thought they have some really cute quotes in here. So anyhow, I was actually gonna just keep this here and read a little quote from it every time I did a video. And yeah, that happened one time. But I thought this would be good sometimes maybe for a title, something to write, you know, just ideas for writing in there, because there's some cute stuff in here. And so I bought that. It was called The Whale of a Sail. So I am gonna keep that, and I'm just gonna add it to my what pile. Okay, I'm almost done. Yay. Let's see. Kitchen. Oh, this was some things that I actually had scrapbooked and some other things I wrote down. So, okay. Oh, it was actually from going to this place to eat where she taught you about food, and it was very, very interesting. So I actually pulled that out of my notebook because it's like I just had the 2 pages, I guess. And oh, and this was some of the recipes that she sent me. So, and I've actually scrapbooked our day there. It was fun. My friend took me. Okay, and then we have exercise stickers. So that needs to be put away, and a piece of cardboard. So I've got that stuff. I've got it sorted out so I can go put that away. And then the pictures, where's my other pictures? Oh, here, the other pictures. So I am gonna put these where I keep the pictures. I actually have 2 boxes and then plus their own boxes. So I will get that done. Tomorrow, I don't know, I would like to finish, I need to get through that bottom part of that desk or island. But you know what? Until I clean the top of it off, it's kind of hard. So, and then finding a place to put it. So, I don't know if I'll be working on that, or I might just do a page in my art journal that I'm gonna start. So, thank you for joining me. Tell me what you're working on. I know January is kind of a big month for people organizing. So let me know if that's what you're doing. I'm gonna go put this stuff away, and I will see you tomorrow, and whatever we're doing will be a surprise to both of us. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.